जो गुरु शिष्यर परंपरा एटा किभली भाव में आम लीगल प्रोफेशन रे बजाय रहिबो एवं विगत दिन में किभली भाव में वर्तमान आ विगत दिन सामंजस्य एवं तार जो अधपतन होची ताकू केमती आमे सुधारिबा एवं ए लॉ लेक्चर शीर्षक लिविंग कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया यही संक्रांत रे आजिर अतिथि जस्टिस शशिकांत मिश्र एवं भुवनेश्वर ओडिशा स्टेट बार काउंसिल चेयरमैन सीतांशु मोहन द्विवेदी आमर मुख्य वक्ता हिसाब रे योगदान करिसेंती एवं यही जो शीर्षक रे समाने पुंखानुपुंख भाव रे आमर संविधान को व्याख्या करुछंती एवं आमर स्वर्गत पुराचंद पट्टनायकर स्मृतिचारण निमंते ये जो सभा आयोजन करा जायछि एहा प्रतिवर्ष भली करी आसुछि एवं यह आज तार 10म संस्करण आभिमुख्य होछि जो गुरु शिष्यर परंपरा एटा किभली भाव में आम लीगल प्रोफेशन रे बजाय रहिबो एवं विगत दिन में किभली भाव में वर्तमान आ विगत दिन सामंजस्य एवं तार जो अधपतन होछि ताकू केमती आमे सुधारिबा। द्वितीय कथा ये जो प्रोफेशन रो जो मान्यता किभली भाव में आमर विगत दिन में आमर स्वर्गत गोराचंद पट्टनायक ताकू प्रतिपादित करथिले एवं तांकर आदर्श नीति किभली भाव में प्रतिपादित होइतिला आम प्रोफेशन रे ताकू स्मृतिचारण करबा निमंते एभली एक सभार परिवार उद्दिष्ट।
Patnaik Memorial Trust has been formed in the memory of late Gorachand Patnaik, an eminent lawyer of Bhubaneswar, and his juniors have formed this trust for his memory. And as a part of the objective of the trust, we are organizing law lectures every year. This year the topic is Living the Constitution. This topic is being delivered. This law lecture is being delivered by Honorable Justice Shashikant Mishra, Judge of Odisha High Court, and basically the topic is with regard to Constitution of India, which was from the 1950 Indian Constitution has came to existence, and from here on, although there have been several amendments, for the interest of the citizens of India, Constitution has been formed and it is there to protect the life and liberty of the people. Constitution of India has gone through many amendments and it has already proved its worth, and in long run it has protected the rights and liberties of the citizens of India, right from ADM Jabalpur to Muthuswamy case, right from right to liberty and constitutional right, and so far as Article 21 of the Constitution of India.
Sir, what are the main objective of this organization?
Objective is to hold law lectures, legal discourse, to discourse for and to expand law knowledge amongst bar members, judicial officers, and yes, and as a major effort, we are organizing this law lecture only to propagate the law and law related subjects.
Did you sir ever think that some revolution will change after the constitution after this program?
Yes, we are trying all our best to propagate the knowledge of law from amongst the law faculties members, students, professors, bar members, judicial officers, and everybody.